Online trading is what it sounds like. The process of buying and selling financial products available online. The trader makes purchases and sales using the user of an online trading platform is they. Is this a trader who operates online? Trading may include bond trading, stocks, futures, foreign exchange rates, and other financial tools, the majority using an online trading platform. Platform for trading that an online broker uses. Establishes brokerages for online trading. Companies that provide their services online. Internet as opposed to conventional brokers. Brokers do not meet with investors. Previously over the phone or in person. When online trading was popular and when before the internet was widely used. Unlike in the past, when investors make a trade for them by calling their broker. They could either go see them or there was no phone number for their broker. It is crucial to keep in mind the alternative. That trading online is dangerous when you do not trade in financial securities. I actually do know what the outcome will be. Is comparable to trading only in gambling. With cash you're willing to risk losing. You might be able to earn a lot of money. But you can also suffer significant losses. The internet has provided access to the investment industry to a variety of individuals today are not limited to the wealthy. Carry out trades while also other people from various socio-economic ladder, a taxi, an electrician, or a plumber. Driving is just as likely to involve online trading as wealthy people that wasn't 30 years ago. In that case, thank you. Viewing these market-related business news. Online trading video.